Hello and welcome to Knit the Womb Design, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And today we're not doing a left-handed knitting tutorial, we're doing a general tutorial. And today we're going to talk about purse strapping. Okay, so this purse right here is coming very soon, and we need to put a strap on it. So we've already got I put a little nice I put some fabric on the inside to give it some structure so it doesn't stretch. And then I put these handles on there, these right here. And now we have to put the strap on it. So what I like to do when I'm going to use a purse strap is I like to get some canvas strapping and sew it on the back of my purse straps that are knitted, because this will prevent it from stretching. So you won't have this strap get longer and longer and longer and longer on you. It prevents the stretching. This really takes all the weight. Is that mandatory? No, you do not have to do that. But I find that this really helps keep the strap looking really well, and it keeps it from stretching crazy long. So how do we get the strap on here so that it's adjustable? So you want to get one of these type right here. I believe they're called slider buckles. They do come with slider, but I did not use the slider one this time because I just grabbed the one that was on top, and you just thread it through. Okay, you want to thread it through, and you're just going to keep that on there. Okay, so now you're going to take this end here, and you're going to thread it through. Pull that tail out, and you're going to fold it over. And you're going to sew this on here, okay? Now, you can use a machine or you can do it by hand. That's totally up to you. I'm going to do it by hand because I don't feel like lugging my machine out. So give me a minute and I will be back. Okay, now you can see I've got that sewn on, and you can't even tell from the back, right? So now you're going to make sure that your strap stays going the correct direction, right? Just like you don't want it twisted when you are doing your cast on, you don't want it twisted when you're doing this. So you're going to thread this other end, making sure that it's all straight and not twisted. And you're going to feed it through this way, okay? And now comes the part that can be complicated, but it's actually very easy when you see it done. Pull this out here, okay? And you're going to thread it through the top. That way it stays the way it should. Thread it through. Give yourself as much space as you can. And thread it through the bottom. Okay? Making sure that your wrong sides are together. Right? And now you can adjust the height that you want this at. I like it right around an inch. You can make it as long or as short as you like. I just like it around an inch. And then you're just going to sew right here, okay? Just like you did over here, you're going to sew this down. And again, if you want to use a machine, feel free. And if you don't, you want to do it by hand, that's the way I'm going to do it because it's just quicker and easier for me. And if you hear weird noises, I have toddlers and they are in the hallway. I'm very sorry about that, but kids are noisy. Okay, so we have that all sewed down. Now we're just going to pull it, and we're going to pull the strap. And now our strap is on both sides. Let's hold it this way so you can see. And it's straight, and now you have an adjustable strap. So you can now adjust this strap to whatever height that you need. If you need it really short because you're like me and you're not very tall, you can do that. If you're really long, you can make it longer. And now you have your adjustable strap sewn on. And because I like to put this strapping on, it's not going anywhere. It's not going to get longer and longer and longer. And that is how you sew a strap onto a purse. I hope this was very helpful for you. If it was, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And once this pattern is live, I will link it in the comments. Happy knitting!